One of the most critical skills in the workplace is the ability to solve problems. Today we're going to talk about 6 steps to help you solve problems very effectively in your workplace. The first step in any problem-solving process is to identify the problem. The biggest difficulty most people have in identifying problems is they identify it in too general or vague of terms. What you want to do is quantify the problem as best as you can. For example, it's not good enough to say we have a customer satisfaction problem or a quality problem. What you want to do is quantify the existing situation and set the goal for where you want to be. For example, our customer satisfaction surveys are at 70%, we'd like to increase them to 80%. Or the quality of our product is at 98%, and we need to improve it to 99% or greater. Step 2 in the problem-solving process is to analyze the problem. Once we clearly understand what problem we're working on, we have to understand the forces that are causing the problem to occur to begin with. So in Step 2, we're doing root cause analysis, collecting data, and looking at the situation to determine exactly what is causing the problem. Once we clearly understand the forces that are causing the problem, it's time for Step 3, or generating possible solutions. In this stage, we're not trying to come up with a specific solution necessarily, but as many possible solutions as we can come up with. In other words, we're going for quantity, not quality at this point. Quality comes in Step 4. In Step 4, we're going to select the solution that we want to try to implement. What we're going to do is take a look at the possible solutions that we generated in Step 3 and see which ones will work the best. Once we select the solution, it's time to put a plan in place, and that's Step 5. Step 5 is implementing the solution. In order to implement the solution to our problem, we need to have a clear plan. People often like to use project management software to accomplish this. You need to know exactly what you're going to do in order for the plan to work effectively. The last step in the problem-solving process is evaluating the solution. In other words, after we've implemented the solution, we want to see if it's really accomplishing the goals that we set in Step 1. If you would like to bring in an in-house workshop on how to solve problems more effectively, please contact me or go to stezzitraining.com. Thank you.